All right, got a new guy here. He commented on some of my videos, so I checked him out. This is his YouTube channel. And as you can see, he's a Marc Stevens follower, but he really doesn't have any original thoughts of his own. What is it with these grown-ass men going around and pretending to be auditors, political activists, or lawyers? Guess I should be flattered. Many want to be like me. Anyway, here's his story, starting with the traffic stop. Oh, yeah, and there's something special about this guy I will reveal later. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
So you pulled me over because you said I rolled through the stop sign, correct?
That's correct.
And are you making a legal determination right now that I'm obligated to obey a traffic rule that says I'm not allowed to roll through that?
Sure, stop is complete cessation of movement of the vehicle, which you failed to do. And that's exactly what you didn't do. So yes, I could stop you for that.
Right, I get that. I'm just asking, just for court purposes.
Oh, there you go. For court purposes. Aha, let's continue.
Okay.
Are you making a legal determination right now?
Once again, I'm not getting into legal admins. I'm just letting you know the reason for the traffic stop today is because you failed to stop at a stop.
Right.
You rolled through the stop as you came in. Registration and insurance, please.
Okay, and I'm obligated to obey the traffic laws, is what you're saying.
You are obligated, and as a matter of fact, when you take your driving test, you're supposed to abide by all traffic rules.
Okay, there's the traffic stop. For some reason, Mr. Doofus here thinks that the state, recognizing that you're obligated to follow their laws, I guess is a big deal. I hope you picked up on his main BS position that he wants proof that the laws created his obligation to obey them. And he doesn't like the cop's explanation, so let's go to his arraignment.
I had a couple questions before we went forward here. The foundation of this claim against me, the claim is I did not bring my car to a full and complete stop before making a right-hand turn at a stop sign. That's
if you say so. All I have is ran stop.
Okay, yeah. Apparently that's the claim against me. Would you agree that the foundation of this claim is that there's an obligation for me to obey a written instrument called traffic laws?
You're making an argument. You're not asking a question.
How's that not a question?
Oh, my God, are you serious, Mr. Doofus? You want him to agree with your argument regarding your alleged foundation of the claim? Damn, how ignorant can an adult be? It's real simple. You're telling him, okay, the foundation of this yada yada. Well, do you agree? That's an argument. Let's continue.
You got to obey the traffic laws.
Okay, so my question is, what facts did the state ever produce that would prove an obligation exists between myself and that written instrument called traffic laws?
Oh, God. Now, where the hell have I heard something like that before? Let's see. Maybe.
What facts prove that just because I'm physically here in Arizona, that a written instrument from 1910 called the Constitution applies to me and creates obligations on me?
Oh, yeah. That's where we had heard it. From Marc Stevens. The old foundation claim. What both of these doofuses are is the plural of doofus, doofi. Anyway, what they misinterpret is that the foundational claim is the legislative branch passed a law, and the executive branch, which enforced the law, is alleging you violated the law. That is all they have to prove. This judge doesn't go for it, and this doofus has to go to another judge in another hearing. So let's see what happens.
State's position that I am obligated to obey a written instrument called traffic law? Yes or no? It's very simple.
There are statutes in place that you are required to follow. Yes, sir.
Oh, damn. Did you hear that, Mr. Doofus? You just heard it again. That the statute, the law, requires you. This is a court of law, and the law is the foundation of the state's complaint. That's a fact, and the law is evidence in court. Now, here's what makes this guy special. He is a naturalized U.S. citizen from Canada, and as such, he swore an oath of allegiance to the U.S. and its laws. So, in addition to the statutory obligation, Mr. Doofus has sworn consent to said obligations. Man, you just can't make this shit up. By the way, his case was dismissed. Upon further investigation, it was noted that he had been stopped and ticketed just outside the jurisdictional boundaries. Mr. Doofus probably could have figured that out if he hadn't been so anxious to present his dumbass question. Here it is. Here's the dismissal.
I was escorted out of the courtroom there yesterday, and they asked me to call back for an update of what's happening next. So I just wanted to get an update.
Yes, let me just pull it up here. So it looks like after the hearing they noticed that, or during the hearing they noticed that the traffic stop was out of our jurisdiction, so the case was dismissed.